Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to make a video using a PowerPoint. But first, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button below for more videos like this. To start, you can go to your PowerPoint, and to add the slides, you can go here and then click here and tap enter. And there you have successfully added a new slide. So let's try adding a few slides. Then, let's try to add a picture. Click on Insert, click on Pictures, and here you can click this first picture here to add it to our slides. And after that, you can click on Insert. And there we have now our first picture here. And to remove this back over here, or this text box behind, you can click on that and then click Erase. And after removing that, we can now adjust our picture. We can extend it like this to make it bigger. And after that, we can now add our second picture. Click on Insert, click on Pictures, and we can select this second picture here and then click on Insert. We now have our second picture, and then we can add our third picture. Click on Insert, Pictures, this third flower here, and then click on Insert. We will do it again and again until we fully uploaded our pictures. It will take some time. Just repeat the process. Click on Insert, click on Pictures, and then you can click Insert and it will successfully add to your slides. And we now have 8 slides here. And what we can do next is to adjust them one by one, extend them a little bit, like this, to occupy the space. And make sure that their size are similar. Let's also remove this text box. Click to add title to highlight only the picture. It will take some time again, but just keep on doing it to have a better outcome. Keep on extending the picture like this, and make sure that they are kind of equally in size. And after that, you can now add transitions on your slides. Click on Transitions here, and then here you can choose a transition you want to add with your slides. You can select different transitions every slides. You can also click this arrow here to see all of the transitions available. You can try some of them to see what is the best you can choose among them. Or you can also choose this one, these random transitions. It will apply to all of your slides and it will choose random transitions and apply it to your slides. And what you can also do is to add a sound or audio to your presentation. All you have to do is to click on Insert, and here you can click on Audio. You can choose between online audio, audio on my PC, and record audio. And beside audio, you can also add video. Yes, you can add a video to your presentation, or you can add a video to your PowerPoint and convert it into a video later on. And it's good to add that feature to make your video or presentation a better one. And after doing that, you can also add a text to your presentation. Click on Word Art, and here you can select the design you want to add to your slide. your text here, you can edit that. And for now, we can click on or type flowers. You can also add an animation to your text like this. And after that, we can now fully maximize the space here. We can extend the picture one by one. And again, it may take some time doing this, but it's also a part of this. Now, you can also add a picture again. We can try adding a picture inside a picture, so we now have two pictures on one slide. Now we are done doing our presentation, and to convert it into a video, all you have to do is to click on File, then click on Export, and then click on Create a Video. Here you can set the interval in every slide. So it's 5.00 here. We can change it into 4 seconds. And we can also choose the quality of our video. We can choose computer and HD displays. And don't use recorded timings and narrations. You can click on that. Then finally, you can click on Create a Video. And here you can rename your presentation. You can click here and change it into presentation number 2. And then you can click on Save. And there you have successfully make a video using a PowerPoint. So let's see the result. And you can see here that the transitions are random as we said that before. And the interval in each slide is 4 seconds. So you can see that the slide will change every 4 seconds. And as you can see, it is better to add audio or music to your slides or add a video on it to make it a little more lively. And you can also add stickers, objects, and including charts and animations. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you have a question, please don't hesitate to leave a note below on the comment section. And if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and click on subscribe and hit the bell button below for more videos like this. See you on the next video.